Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video I will just be building a random house because I'm bored. So yeah, let's just pick some blocks. Guys, I'm very good at choosing blocks. I want to make a random house. I just want to use my creativity. I don't have any. But yes. I don't know why I chose these blocks, but this will be good. This is gonna be good, guys. So this is gonna be the front entrance. We add that there. Okay, I'm gonna get more blocks. Guys, I don't know why I chose these blocks, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work, guys. Don't worry. I'm a professional builder, like you know from my hardcore series. Yeah, I'm a professional builder. So we do that. Then we add that. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, please. Please, I'm trying my best. I don't mean to be this bad. It's just my building skills. They need work. They need not work. They need help. Do this. Have that. Oh, this is ugly. No, no. I am gonna do that. And now. And over here, I'm gonna add this. Oh, that looks horrible. Give me a second. Yes, this is better. And up here, I'm gonna add this. And I'm gonna continue doing that. I don't know why I'm building this, guys. I hope you're enjoying it, though. So that'll be so that's how that goes. And then there we go. I copied it perfectly. And I make this a little bit taller. And I make that. So guys, this is the front of the house so far. Oh, I know what I can do. This will make it look cool. Yes, I know. Cool. Not possible with my building skills. And keep on. I'm gonna make it go up. So now I do the same on this side. So I did it, guys. This is it so far. But now I need to do this. And just add some more stairs right there. To keep on building this up. Yes. This is pretty cool. Kind of, maybe. I don't know, guys. And now I just put it here. Oh, and now I need to add higher walls here. And now I just add this for some depth. And I keep on building, and I'm gonna make a turn here. And now, right here, guys, I'm gonna do this. And start making this house go in this direction. So guys, just copy it on this side. So guys, I connected it, and I finished it, and I fixed it. So now we need to add some details. I'm gonna add a big window right here. So this will be the foundation for the window. And this will be the top of the window. And there we go. That is the window for the back. We can have some smaller windows like right here. No. We can just have some smaller windows. Right there. And another one right here. Go right there. Yep. So guys, this is what I did so far. I think it's pretty nice. Let's just look at the front. It's kind of bland, so I'm just gonna add some windows right there and add some windows right there. I'm gonna try to find some good colored windows. Guys, I went with the black windows. I don't know why, but it seemed right, and auto jump is on for me. There you go. I fixed that, and I'm gonna go put in the windows here. Wait, I need to get the other ones. Okay, guys, that looks better. No, right there. Wait, did I find something cool? Guys, I think I discovered something. Wow. Yep, I discovered something, guys. That looks pretty cool. So now, this is the house right now. We probably need to add more, but, so that'll be that. I'm gonna make that stop right there. Guys, just to remind you, this is just, I'm just building this randomly. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm just building because I have creativity. Unlike some of you, I'm joking. All of you have creativity, but so now we can just, I'm just thinking what we can do. There are stairs here, but no stairs here. Make it go like that. And now, so when this goes right here, we can make this go to every single one here. I think I'm doing a good job building this house, guys. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Now we just have to raise these a little bit. And now we just get some slabs. We get some slabs, guys. This is gonna be beautiful. This is gonna be a beautiful house. I'm just gonna choose the sandstone one. No, it's turning nighttime. No, my beautiful creation. There we go. Now I just do this. I'm so close. Okay. Guys, this is what I did so far. I think this is pretty nice. We just covered this entire thing up with this. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. Yep. So guys, I surrounded it. Time to just fill it in. And yeah. I don't know if that will work. So yeah, guys, I finished filling it in. So this is the house so far. Yep, it's pretty nice. Yep, I know I'm a pretty good builder, guys. Wait, will this look better? No, I like it with that. So now we can just maybe add a window here and add a window here. So yep, I added the windows. And let's see if we can add any more detail to this house. We can add a fireplace. So we make it right here. It's gonna be in the middle. I don't know why I have this idea, but so it'll be in the middle. Won't really be able to see it. You'll definitely see it, but I don't know what I'm saying right now. But we're gonna put the fireplace in the middle, and I'll be back to you when I'm done. So guys, I finished the fireplace here. This is what I got. Yep, it takes some room, but like, it takes some space, but I think it looks nice. And now we can go to the top and make a good chimney. So guys, I finished the fireplace. Yep, this is it. It looks like a volcano, but this is the best chimney I can make. So now we can make the flooring inside. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. So guys, I finished the flooring. I might add more, but this is it so far. So now I'm gonna add some decorations. You can copy this if you want, so I'll just like stand here and you can pause the video. And I'll stand here if you want to pause the video. And I'll also stand here if you want to pause the video. But this is what it is so far, and I'm gonna add some decorations and I'll see you when I do that. So guys, I finished the inside of the house. So here is the inside basically. So this is like your bedroom. I added some flowers to make it look better. And here's just a random carpet I put down. And this is the kitchen. And yeah guys, basically what I have so far. So now let's work on the exterior. So we're outside now. And there's some things we can do to make this place better. We can make a custom tree. So if I just get wood, log. If I search up log, we can just get an oak log, and if I search up leaves, and then we can just get some oak leaves. And over here, we can just make a tree. I haven't made a custom tree in a while. So these are the branches. And now we just cover it with leaves. Doesn't matter where you place the leaves. It's just like, if you have branches and you just like place them around the branches, the tree will look nice. This tree is okay, it's decent. It's not the best tree, but if I just get rid of some of these, it'll look better. Okay, yeah. So that is the tree. We can... What else can we do? Okay, we can also have a pond. Or a fountain. Let's have a fountain. So let's just get a area like this, and we can get some sandstone. Wait, I want this, and that. So first thing, we can just do this, and now we can just a simple fountain. Let me just break this, and then this too. We can just do this, and this might make the fountain look better, but yeah. So that is the fountain, and we can add like a path. So let's just get some andesite, gravel. We can get this, and we can also get gravel. So this will be the blocks that will make the pathway. We'll loop around the fountain like this, and then the actual thing will go over here somewhere. So now I'm just gonna randomly just start placing blocks. So this is the thing basically. Should I? I'm actually gonna get rid of this because there's like no grass on the other side, so I just need to make this road. Okay. Place slots as that there. And there. And no, not leaves. So yep, this is it so far. This is the house. Just imagine there's like a road here. I'm not gonna build an entire road, but we can have like leaves going from here, and then we can have more leaves. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, kind of. It was kind of like a tutorial, but I'm just gonna spam leaves. Yep, that should be enough leaves. So yeah, guys, wait, chimney. We can have like maybe some leaves. Yeah, I think that would be good. And yeah, guys, that is the tutorial. This is the beautiful house, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.